Oh hey folks, what's up? It's been 1 year of my absence. Hell yeah. 1 year of absence. Like, where have I been? Why are you here suddenly? Why do we care? I've got all the answers for you. I have been practicing secretly in isolation. You know, all the tough times of the COVID and all the things we are having here. Yeah, it's been tough for me too. So I've been practicing every day, honing my skills, trying to get better. So today, I have something for you which I've been practically working on. Basically a series on some characters, some robotic transformer characters I've been working on. So starting today, every week of Friday, you'll be getting my content without any delay and no more going away. I missed you guys too. Missed you guys. So without any further ado, see you on the other side of the video. Peace. So right here we are seeing we have got some references with us. I collected these references as a point of understanding of what I'm trying to achieve here. So at the back of my mind I had this kind of series planned where I'm going to do a lot of robotic mecha oriented characters. What is mecha? Mecha is basically, you guys have probably seen Transformers and everything, right? So those are the kind of characters which are considered to be mecha. And there's Gundam also, if you've heard. So as you can see, we have a complete black outline of the character as we are building it from the silhouette. And now we are actually making the outline, the brief sketch, the rough sketch. We are building and developing the rough sketch. I'm gonna go through all of the process, but you'll be seeing the process and not hearing my voice. You won't be going through that pain. So enjoy the process. However, I'm gonna explain a lot of things which are unknown to a lot of artists who are new in the industry, also to those who need a recap. Like for example, I am working in a software which is called clipstudiopaint, and the reason I'm working in clipstudiopaint is because there are wide varieties of options. I used to work in Photoshop earlier, but now in clipstudiopaint I have kind of found my niche where I can work and develop skills and characters for either it can be commission work or it can be like games, animation, anything. So yeah, for me it's a better option. So the process is pretty simple. Once I'm done drawing in one layer, that is the raster layer which I choose, I then go ahead and select another layer which is the vector layer. Now what is the difference between a raster graphics and a vector graphics? It's pretty important to know that raster graphics, when you zoom the thing, the image or the concept which you're working on or any kind of line, you will see the pixels appearing, and when you actually expand it, there is no conformity and it actually is like very bad. It's bad. Raster graphics are mainly used for making outlines and sketch, but for final output, now as you can see I took a new layer. This is a vector layer. Now vector layer is one thing where you select the lines or the sketch you make. When you zoom it out, when you expand it, you don't see any kind of pixelated issues. The line will stay as it is. So for the final sketch I use vector layers. Now when I'm done with the vector layer, I'm now adding flat colors. The flat color is gonna help me put in shadows, which I'm putting right now. As you can see, I'm putting a lot of shading over there. The reason is I have a basic idea from which the light source is gonna come. There are three kind of light source I work with usually. As you know, it is a 2D image, so light source isn't physically present. You sometimes have to imagine that, and that is the reason why we need a lot of idea and knowledge about light. So there are three kinds of light: key light, source light, and backlight, and also rim light. But yeah, the main light, the key light, is the one which highlights the whole area. It is the father. The backlight is like, it gives you a certain core, an idea of what is the volume. It gives the certain depth and aspect of the character from the back. And now we are adding the lights, the highlights, which are actually showcasing the volumes of the character's body part. Another important aspect of understanding is colors, giving me the idea and sense of sensibilities of hues and saturations in my character's approach. I can widely see the volumetric depths of my character from different standpoints. A scene is pretty much incomplete without a proper background. Since this character is from outer space, I gave it a night sky kind of space ambiance with a few star-studded jitters in the background. And this gave me a new scope of adding more highlights and understanding the depth of the character from a different perspective. Perspectives are pretty much important. You have to throw your characters into a lot of canvases to understand what comes out. And here's the final output I have done. And I actually thought of a name. How about I not name him Optimus Prime? I call him Battlestar Supreme. And that's it for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Peace!